Walmart. Dang, got some good stuff here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. It's a nice car. The other day we found the blue. Now we have the silver. It's a nice truck here too. Nice, nice. Oh dang, look at this Skyline. Oh dang, this thing is nice, man. Look at that. Whoa. I don't know about you guys, but this thing is nice. Look at the card. The artwork. Wow, that's just nice. Put this over here. Okay. What else do we have here? We got the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Colas. There's nothing here. More Coca-Cola. We got the Johnny Lightnings here. I'm not into these things, but I'm not into the hollows. So we've got the Deadpool right here. Oh, look at this. Look at that. I see people going crazy about it. Here's another one. We also got the egg toe. This is from Metal Diecast. That's some good stuff, man. Look, we have the black and red, the red and black Deadpool pizza truck. We have Optimus down there. And Bumblebee. No. Oh, we got some good stuff. Let's keep looking. Look at this for 450 here. Some nice matchbox 5-pack. Alright. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Let's speak this up. We don't want to be messy. Guys, let's catch you on the next video. Alright? Happy hunting. And God bless. Let me know what you think about these pieces right here.